Lucy is an exceptional 18-year-old pupil at Brodyn Efor whose passion for sport and leadership makes her a true inspiration. As a Gold Young Ambassador and a newly appointed member of the Youth Sport Trust National Panel, she uses her platform to champion youth voice. She helps deliver netball sessions for pupils, motivating young people to get active and enjoy sport. Lucy also inspires the next generation through her local hockey club, where her dedication has helped grow participation. Her commitment, energy and ability to uplift others make her a standout role model.
Mae Sophie yn berson ifanc ragorol, a mae egni yn amlwg am popeth mae'n ei wneud. Hyd yn oed wrth gynrychioli Cymru mewn bowlio, mae'n parhau ysbrydoli eraill ble bynnag mae'n mynd. Mae harweinyddiaeth mewn sesiynau rygbi a bowlio wedi creu cyfleoedd cyffroes a chynhwysol. Fel aelod dynamig o banel yr ymddiriedolaeth chwaraeon ieuenctid, mae'n arwyddo newid cadarnhaol ac yn annog eraill i gyfrannu. Mae Sophie wedi hybu cyfranogiad a thraws newid cyfleoedd ledled Ysgol Brydgwyn a'r gymuned ehangach.
At just 15, Cerys is a powerhouse of passion, leadership and determination. As a dedicated coach with Gaerfyrddin, she pours countless hours into planning creative, high-energy sessions that keep young athletes motivated and excited to learn. Her influence doesn't stop there. Cerys also shines as a Gold Young Ambassador for Maes y Gwendraeth, inspiring others to get active and embrace sport with confidence. Her enthusiasm is infectious and her commitment unwavering. She's an exceptional role model and continues to elevate everyone around her.